Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, we are going to see a quick tip on how you can easily clean up your Outlook inbox without the need to delete some important emails. So we will follow some tips where we can save the space in our inbox. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this video. So what we can do is, first of all, just go to the file menu right here, and under the mailbox settings, you can see this brush sign. That means you can empty the space from here. And let's say that you have deleted a couple of items or folders or emails already, and it's still standing on the deleted items folder. So you can empty that. So it will save you a lot of space to clear the trash permanently. Click continue. What you can also do is just go to this option, and it says clean up old items. So what you can do is, if you feel that some of the items are too old, you can just delete all of these emails. So you can specify all of that, how older emails you want to delete. For example, you want to delete the emails from 2020 to 2022, or let's say before 2020. So you can specify it here. But for this particular video, we are going to explore these settings where we can click on mailbox cleanup, and we will see some options here. So when we go to the mailbox cleanup, we have a couple of options here. But first of all, you can read this top description here, that you can use this tool to manage the size of your mailbox. You can find types of items to delete or move or empty the deleted items folder. You can have the transfer items to an archive folder. So what you can do is, first of all, if you want to analyze your mailbox size, you can just click here and you can identify what emails, what type of emails are causing you more size. So what you can do is explore that, and any particular type of email that you want to delete, you can get rid of that. Also, what you can do is find larger emails, which is larger either in size or they are older than a particular number of days. So you can specify that here, and it will help you to find the relevant emails that you want to delete. Also, if you want to save or compress some of the emails, what you can do is just click on auto archive. Will move to the old items to the archive file on this computer, it says. So what it will do is, it will automatically move all the old emails in the archive folder, and you can still access that from the archive folder, but it will save you some space. And again, this option, emptying the deleted items, which we have just seen, you can also view the deleted items size and then decide to clean it up. So that's it, guys. This is how you can use some of the tools to clean up your space. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.